Hello guys, we are going to see today the fade in and fade out animations. First, first of all, I am not here to teach you, or I am not here to say anything about myself, or I am going to not going to advise you anything. I am just saying I am just sharing my knowledge, how I am doing and how it will be work. This is the basic layout. You can see it's a concentric layout, and I am putting the relative layout here, and this is a button. This button is for clicking that animation, and this is about main activity. Main activity also is mostly nothing in special. I am just implementing just animation here. Okay, fade in and fade out animation, how we can do it. Just we need to create the anime character too. But basically, for new project there is no anime class. You need to create the anime class here, anime folder here. You need to right click on the this, and you need to go to directory, and you need to put the anime name, and you need to give the enter. It will be create the anime folder, and just open, right click on the anime folder, and add the Android resource file. You can put fade in means it will open and fade in. Normally how we will do it means fade in, just to put it fade in will, what will do, it will just open the layout slowly it will open the layout. It will be maximum. You can normally you have the we have options in whatever it is, alpha we have option. What is the use of the alpha option? Anyone knows? I think many of mostly we don't use alpha here. You can use 0.5 in a sense. 0.5 in a sense, what will do, it will blur, not transparent the view to 5%. It means it will my original is 1 will be the 100% opacity. It will reduce the opacity. Alpha means mainly for make maximum the opacity. That's what we are going to do in this case. See, just alpha is the fade in animation mainly. Just see from which character to from which character means from 0.0 is the from character. From 0.0 means it will be hidden, 0% opacity. 2 alpha means 1.0, it will be 100% opacity. 0 point is 100% opacity. Then we need a duration. Without duration is the main thing. And Android duration is the main thing. Duration we will do 1000 seconds. This is fine. This is what, yeah, we done the fade in animation. Then fade in animation, but we are not implemented in the code. We just need to implement it in the code like this. We need to, we will just go with this animations. Fade in is equal to animation utilities dot load animation context. If you are a developer, newly joined developer, just make your context, take your context like this in every activity, because if you take like main dot this in everywhere means it will take the whole load of the page. If you take like this context means it will be very easy for you to use. Anime dot will go to fade in. Okay, then now we have the fade in animation, but we want to load into the relative layout. Our relative layout dot set animation fade in. Yeah, we have done it. Yes, just we are opening the animations over here. We are opening animations over here. Just wait a second. Installing. Yep, it installed. Just see. Yeah. It's fade in. It's a fade in animation. That's cool. Then after fade in, we can we have another one property here. Start over. start over another one property. Sorry, where is that? Yeah, here. Oh, sorry, here. Here. And write off start offset. It is another property. What is the start offset? In a sense, it will wait for the time we need to give the seconds, 500 it will wait for the 500 milliseconds, and after that the animation will start to work. I am with 1 second, it will wait for 1 second, and after that it will start the animation. See, wait, we will see this one also. You can get the ideas. Let us see here. In our in my application, see, it will wait for 10 seconds. It will wait for 1 second. After that it is fading. Okay, faded animation. Then we have much time, so we can go for a fade out animation also. Fade out also you can do alpha. We can do alpha, and same results of this. Same results of this one. Results in a sense, yeah. We are getting 0 to 1, right? Now we are going to 0, 1 to 0. That is the results of that one. The duration will be the same. We can put duration will be 1000, and but the offset will need to be different, because what I am saying is the offset here I am waiting for 1 second. The view is wait 1 second, it will wait, and another 1 second it will be animate. Then you need to give here after 2 seconds you need to activate this animation, then only it will be good. Otherwise 2 animation will be collapsed, and it will be very bad to look. Okay, just see, you see. Yeah, see, fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out. Cute animations, right? Yeah, thank you.